Hello and welcome to today's math lesson. So first of all, guys, can we all turn to wave and say a big hello to our friends on camera? Hello. Hello. And we'll begin by doing our meditation sequence. So I will sit down, take 2 fingers, find our heart center, left hand on our lap, and close our eyes. And when you're ready, guys, you can open your eyes and come back to the room. Excellent. And next we'll do our stretch sequence. So let's stand up, push in our chairs. And we'll begin by stretching up high to the sky. High as we can. High to the sky. And then let's go down low. Touch your toes. Now, back up high. And this time, can we go tippy toe high? And when we're there, let's have a wave. And then back down to touch our toes. Excellent, guys. Now let's stand up straight and have a shake. Arms and legs, shake it out. Arms and legs, shake it out. And now let's have a wiggle side to side. Side to side, and stop. Now let's have another wiggle. Wiggle side to side, and stop. Forwards, backwards, forwards, backwards, forwards, backwards, and stop. And now we'll go round and round, round and round, round and round, and stop. And then let's go back the other way, round and round. Give our spines a nice stretch before sitting back down. Round and stop. And to finish, guys, we'll do 5 claps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent, guys. Have a seat. So who can tell me what we've been learning about in math class recently? Perfect. Well done, guys. Well remembered and well spoken too. So first of all, let's write the phrase combined operations. Excellent. Combined, which means putting things together. And then Operations. P-E-R-A-T-I-O-N-S. Combined operations. Yes. And in the previous lesson, we learned how to do combined operations using two particular mathematical symbols. We used times or multiplication. M-U-L-T-I-P-L-I-C-A-T-I-O-N. Excellent, guys. Multiplication. And division. Yes, divide or division. Divide is the sum, division is the symbol. D-I-V-I-S-I-O-N. So combined operations with multiplication and division. Yes, and what we're going to do now is we're going to have some of our students demonstrate their understanding, because I will do a combined operation sum on the board and then invite our students forward to fix it for us. So let's begin. We can start off seven times Okay, guys, so we have 7 times 65 divided by 5. And now I would like to invite Bangpon. You can come forward and fix our combined operation sum for us. So, what's the first sum we need to do, guys?
In the bracket.
Always start in brackets. Excellent. So, 65 divided by 5. What do we think? Excellent. Well done, Lakgao. 65 divided by 5 equals, Bangpon, 13. So we can write 13. Excellent. Are we finished yet? No, we're still not finished. We're only halfway through. So what we need to do next, 7 times 13. So what do we think, guys? 7 times 13. Nearly. Little bit lower. No. 7 times 13. Okay, well, let's think. What's 7 times 10? Equals 70. Okay? And then what's 7 times 3? 7 times 3? So 70 plus 21? 91. 91. So we can write here 7 times 13 equals 91. Excellent, Bangpon. So altogether, 7 times 65 divided by 5 equals 91. Excellent, guys. And this is combined operations using multiplication and division. Bangpon, very well done. Okay, thank you. Big round of applause for Bangpon. And let's do one more combined operation with multiplication and division to show our students know and understand. So we'll do another sum now. So first of all, guys, 32 divided by, at this time, 4 times 2 equals. So our combined operation sum, 32 divided by 4 times 2 equals. And for this combined operation sum, I would like to invite Pak Bung to come forward and work out our sum for us. So Pak Bung, come and join me at the front, please. So, what's our combined operation, guys? 32 divided by 4 times 2. Now, where do we begin? Always in brackets. For combined operations, guys, always start in the brackets. So what's our first calculation? 4 times 2 equals, excellent, well done, Pak Bung. So you can write 8 underneath. But are we finished yet? No, we're not finished. Now, 32 divided by 8. Excellent, Nadia. How many times does 8 go into 32?
8 times 4
equals 32. So we can say 32 divided by 8 equals 4. That's perfect. So altogether, guys, 32 divided by 4 times 2 equals 4. And this is another combined operation involving multiplication and division. And Pak Bung, that was brilliant. High five. Big round of applause for Pak Bung. And that was a recap of the previous lesson when our students learned how to do combined operations with multiplication and division. But we're going to move on in today's lesson and we're going to look at another type of combined operation. And what we can do, guys, is we can also use combined operations to solve word problems. Yeah, can we all say that phrase together? Word problems. So what I'll do, I'll demonstrate a word problem on the board and we'll see if we can answer it together in class. So first thing, guys, we'll write the phrase word problems. W-O-R-D. And problems. Excellent. So we've got combined operations, word problems. Okay. So the first thing I need some money. Who can tell me how many baht will I have on me? Higher. I'm going. Again? 500. 100. So 500 plus 100. 600. Okay. I have 600 baht in my wallet. W-A-L-L-E-T. So altogether, I have 600 baht in my wallet. I buy a book. How much does the book cost, guys? How much does the book cost that time? 35 baht. Okay, I buy a book for 35 baht and a coffee. O-F-F-E-E. Now, how much is my coffee? 25 baht. Okay, that's quite cheap. Thank you, Lakam. 25 baht. And a coffee for 25 baht. Okay. And now the question. How much money do I have left? Question mark. So let's read together first of all, guys, and then we can work it out together. I have 600 baht in my wallet. I buy a book for 35 baht and a coffee for 25 baht. How much money do I have left? Okay, so this is what we call a combined operation. So how much money do I start with? 600. Okay, so let's see, we can write the equation here. 600 minus, so open brackets, minus 35 plus 25. Close brackets. So, following the steps that we've done so far, which sum will we do first? Always remember, guys, where do we start? Always start in brackets. So, 35 plus 25 equals 60. So, we have our calculation here equals 60. So now we have to, how much money did I start with? 600 baht. How much money did I spend? 60 baht. So 600 minus 60. 540 baht. Excellent, guys. 5, 4, 0. So when I've gone shopping, I had my 600 baht. I spent 35 baht on a book. And then I bought a coffee for 25 baht. This means that at the end, how much money did I have left? 540 baht. So guys, that was brilliant. Very well spoken and very well worked out. That was great. So that was an example of a word problem using combined operations. And what we've got now is a PowerPoint presentation so that we can further explore and understand how to answer word problems with combined operations. So let's turn to look at the TV screen, guys. So let's take a look at our PowerPoint presentation, combined operations, word problems. Combined operations are sums involving various arithmetic calculations. And you can see the symbols here. Adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing. Yes. We can also use combined operations to solve word problems. So let's take a look at some word problems, guys. For example, Pim has 1,225 baht. She buys a book and a dress. The book costs 396 baht. And the dress costs 380 baht. How much money does Pim have left now? Okay, now it sounds like a really long problem, but all we need to do is identify the calculations that we need to make. So we can write our word problem like this. 1,000 225 minus 396 plus 380. Yes. So what's the first sum that we need to do, guys? Remember, we always start where? Always start in brackets. So the first sum we need to make, 396 plus 380. Yes. Always do the operation in brackets first. So any ideas yet? I'll give you 30 seconds. 396 plus 380.
776.
Perfect. Excellent. 396 plus 380 equals 776. So now we move on to the next part of our combined operation. 1,225 minus 776. Yes. Now I'll give you a few moments to see if you can work that out, guys, before we reveal the answer.
449.
Perfect. Very well done. Okay? So, it seems like our students are ready with the answer. One more time, guys.
449.
Amazing. Very well done. You see, 1,225 minus 776 equals 449. So, when we think back to our word problem, we can say 1,225 minus 396 plus 380 equals 449. So guys, how much money does Pim have left now? Pim has 49 baht left now. That was brilliant, guys. Well done. And what we'll do one more combined operations word problem together. Let's do another combined operation together. Yes. Otto buys 6 large bags of pencils. Each large bag contains 150 pencils. Otto packs the pencils into boxes of 5 pencils each. How many boxes does Otto need to pack all the pencils? Okay, again, sounds like a very long word problem, but all we need to worry about are the amounts. So let's investigate and identify the calculation. 6 times 150 divided by 5. Yes. So which part of the calculation do we do first? Always begin with brackets. So the first calculation is 6 times 150. And I'll give you a few moments. Perfect. 6 times 150 equals... Are you sure? Are you really sure? Let's see. 6 times 150 equals 900. So that's how many pencils in total. We have 900 pencils. But remember, we need to divide the pencils into boxes of 5. So the next step of the calculation, 900 divided by 5. Yes. We need to have 900 pencils divided into boxes of 5. So how many boxes? How many times will 5 go into 900? I'll give you a few moments, guys, before you work it out. Any ideas?
180.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Are you really sure? Excellent, guys. So there we have our answer. We have 900 pencils. They need to go into boxes of 5. So how many boxes do we need? 180. So we can say the answer to our calculation, 6 times 150 divided by 5 equals 180. So, how many boxes does Auto need to pack all the pencils? Auto needs 180 boxes to pack the pencils. Excellent, guys. Very well done. Welcome back to class. We hope your students enjoyed the PowerPoint presentation about word problems involving combined operations. And at first, if there's lots of words, they might look difficult, but really just concentrate on the numbers and then we can answer them quite easily. And my students here all did a great job. And now, guys, time for our stretch sequence. So let's stand up and push in our chairs. And for this sequence, we'll begin with some rotations. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Excellent, guys. And now we'll do 5 stretches to our right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Brilliant. And then we'll do 5 stretches to our right, our left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Brilliant, guys. Now let's have a shake. Arms and legs, shake it out. Arms and legs, shake it out. Very good. And to finish, we will do 5 star jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Brilliant, guys. Have a seat. And now it's time for our worksheet part of the lesson. And on today's worksheet, there is a series of 3 different word problems involving combined operations. So what our students need to do is read through each word problem, identify the numbers they need to calculate, and work out on a combined operation in the spaces below. But what's the first thing we need to do, guys?
Write your name on top.
Write our names on top. So, Chu, this one's for you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Pakbong for you. You're welcome. You're welcome. Nadia for you. Ned for you. You're welcome. Down for you. Bangpon for you. Rao for you.
Thank you.
And Lakau for you. So guys, names on top first, and then have a look at your word problems and try to identify the numbers that you need to calculate. And then what we can do together on the board. So for example, word problem number 1, Farsai has 750 baht in her purse. So for number 1, we can begin with the starting amount, 750. Farsai has 750 baht in her purse. But then she buys a book. And how much is the book worth? How much does she spend on the book? 75 baht. And then what else does Farsai buy? She buys a book and then she buys a t-shirt. And how much does the t-shirt cost? 120 baht. So guys, for combined operation word problem number 1, there is your calculation. 75 plus 120.
195.
Excellent. Equals 195. So then, the second part of our combined operation, 750 minus 195. And then you'll know how much Farsai has left after she's been shopping. And don't be scared. If you need to, guys, you can write your calculations on your worksheets. If you need to show working out, if
75, 150 minus 195
550? Yes, it does. All the fives. 750 minus 195 equals... Yes, so how much money does Farsai have left after she's been shopping? 555 baht. Excellent, guys. So that's how we do number 1. Now have a look at number 2 when you're ready. And then we can practice together if you need to. If you get stuck or anything you don't understand, let me know. Excellent, Pak Bung. You see, don't be afraid to show your working out. If you need to draw on your worksheet, do your calculation, you can do. That's what the worksheet's for. Perfect. 555 baht. And then if you need any help with number 2, let me know. Have a read and see what you think. And remember, concentrate on the numbers. So number 2, 4 students have 10 packets of sweets. Okay? Okay? For number 2, Farsi have left 555. Yes. L-E-F-T, like left. So, down, how many students?
4.
And how many packets of sweets do they have?
10.
10. 10 packets, yes. 4 students have 10 packets of sweets. How many sweets in each packet?
6.
There are 6 sweets in each packet. So what we need to do is take the packets of sweets, 10. How many sweets in each packet? Times 6. And then how many students?
4.
So divided by 4. Which part of the sum should we do first? Always do the 1 in brackets. So, first part of word problem number 2, 10 times 6. Welcome back to class. We hope your students enjoyed the combined operations involving word problems and they know how to solve them. And what we've done is we've done the calculations on the board also so that you can see how to solve them if they're not sure. So guys, number 1, 750 minus 75 plus 120 equals 555. So Farsai has 555 baht left. And then number 2, 10 times 6 divided by 4 equals 15. So each student receives 15 sweets. And then number 3, 600 minus 175 plus 250 equals 175 baht. That's how much Ultra has at the end of his shopping. And my students here all did a great job, so well done, guys. And that's the end of today's lesson. So we hope you've enjoyed it and understand a bit more now about word problems and how to solve them with combined operations. And we'll see you again soon for the next lesson. So can we all turn to wave and say goodbye, guys? Goodbye. Bye-bye. See you again soon.